All right, gardeners, get ready because today we're diving into a hidden treasure trove, Dollar Tree. Now, I know what you might be thinking, Dollar Tree for gardening? And let me tell you, you are about to be shocked. We're talking about 10 things that you should absolutely be picking up this November that will seriously change the game for your garden, all while keeping your wallet happy. Yep, you heard that right. No need to break the bank here. And hold up, wait until you see what I've found. Some of these items I bet are going to make you wonder, how did I not grab these last time I was there? Seriously, you're going to kick yourself for not knowing about these sooner. But before we get into it, I want to hear from you. What's your absolute go-to Dollar Tree garden find? Drop it in the comments below. Let's swap tips and tricks because we're all in this together, making our gardens beautiful without breaking the bank. Let's get into it. Number 1. Garden tools, affordable quality. All right, let's talk garden tools. Now, I know a lot of us are used to seeing those big, fancy tool sets at the garden center with price tags that make you cringe a little bit. And yeah, they look great, but you don't always need to spend hundreds of dollars to get your garden in tip-top shape. That's where Dollar Tree comes in. They've got all the basic hand tools you'll need, stuff like trowels, rakes, pruning shears, you name it. These tools are perfect for smaller tasks like planting, weeding, and trimming. Now, I'm not saying they're going to last you forever, but hey, for the price, they're a steal. They do the job and they do it well, especially when you're in a pinch or if you're just starting out in gardening. Think about it. How many times have you been out there in the garden ready to tackle a quick project, but you don't want to pull out the expensive tools for a small task? That's where Dollar Tree's tools shine. They're light, they're functional, and honestly, they'll make you wonder, how is this so cheap and still decent? Seriously, for the price, it's hard to believe the quality you're getting. So if you haven't already, next time you're in there, grab a few of these basic tools. They'll surprise you, and you'll be glad you did. Number 2, garden seeds, variety and savings. All right, let's talk seeds, because if you're a gardener, you know that seeds are the heart of it all. But here's the thing, getting high-quality seeds doesn't have to mean breaking the bank. Dollar Tree actually has a surprisingly good variety of garden seeds, everything from flowers to vegetables to even some herbs. And the best part, you're getting those same seeds you'd find at a garden center for a premium price, but at a fraction of the cost. Seriously, it's crazy how much you can save. Whether you're looking to grow beautiful flowers to brighten up your yard, start a veggie garden to get some fresh homegrown food, or add a few herbs for your kitchen, Dollar Tree's got you covered. These seeds are perfect for anyone looking to expand their garden without stressing over their budget. And as we all know, gardening can get expensive real quick, so this is such a game changer. I've had a lot of success with their seeds. Things like sunflowers, tomatoes, and basil have grown like crazy for me. And while the packets may look small, trust me, they pack a punch in terms of what you can grow. So I want to hear from you guys. Anyone here tried their seeds? How did your plants turn out? Drop a comment and share your experience because I'd love to know what's worked for you. Let's get a conversation going and help each other out because that's what this gardening community is all about. Number 3, plant pots, small and stylish. Let's talk plant pots for a minute. Now, we all know how expensive plant pots can get. It's like you're just trying to repot your plants and suddenly you're staring at a price tag that's more than what you spent on the plant. But here's the good news. Dollar Tree has these perfect little plant pots that are both functional and stylish. Seriously, these things are ideal for starting your seedlings or repotting small plants. What's great about them is that you're not just saving money, you're also getting something that looks good in your home or garden. They come in a variety of colors and styles, so you can choose something that fits your aesthetic without blowing your budget. Plus, they're not just for indoor plants. They work just as well for your outdoor garden, too. They're small enough to keep your garden looking neat, but they still make a big impact when it comes to design. And I get it. Sometimes you've spent money on those high-end pots and they just don't deliver. Maybe they break too easily or they don't fit your plants the way you hoped. If you've ever been frustrated by expensive pots that just don't live up to expectations, Dollar Tree's got your back. These pots hold up, they're affordable, and they do the job well. So next time you're out and about, grab a few of these pots. They'll give your plants a great home, and you'll feel good knowing you didn't spend the small fortune on them. Trust me, your plants will look just as good in these as they would in any pricey pot, and your wallet will thank you. Number 4, gardening gloves, comfort and protection. Alright, let's be real here. Gardening can get messy. I mean, we're talking dirt under your nails, soil everywhere, and let's not even get started on the thorns. That's why a good pair of gardening gloves is an absolute must. But here's the thing, just because you need gloves doesn't mean you have to drop a ton of money on them. Dollar Tree has these fantastic gardening gloves that are comfy, protective, and best of all, super affordable.
I've tried these gloves, and I can honestly say they get the job done. They protect your hands from scrapes, cuts, and all that dirt, but they're also really comfortable. You won't be feeling like your hands are suffocating in them either. They've got just the right amount of stretch and breathability to make sure you can get your gardening tasks done without feeling restricted. Plus, they come in a bunch of cute designs, so not only are they practical, but they'll also give your gardening outfit a little personality. Now, let me tell you, sometimes when you're shopping on a budget, you worry that the quality won't be there. But with these gloves, you don't have to sacrifice quality for price. They're just as durable as any high-end gloves you'd buy elsewhere, and they'll protect your hands during all your gardening adventures, from digging to pruning to handling those thorny roses. So I've got to ask, what's the most durable pair of gloves you've used for gardening? Drop a comment below. I'm always looking for new recommendations, and I'm sure other gardeners would love to hear your thoughts too. Let's keep the conversation going. 5. Mulch and soil amendments. Essential but cheap. Now let's talk about something that's absolutely essential for any garden. Mulch and soil amendments. These are the unsung heroes that help your plants thrive. And the best part? Dollar Tree has got you covered without breaking the bank. They offer bags of mulch, compost, and other soil amendments that you can use to boost your garden's growth. Now, I'll be honest, the bags might not be the biggest you've ever seen, but trust me, they still get the job done. If you've got a little patch of garden or you're working with container plants, these small bags are perfect. They're a great way to refresh your soil, improve drainage, and add some much-needed nutrients. And if you're someone who's just starting out, this is a simple and budget-friendly way to give your plants the right environment to grow strong and healthy. You don't need to buy huge, expensive bags of soil amendments when these smaller ones work wonders for your garden. I've used them myself, and they're especially handy when you need to top up your garden beds or give your potted plants a little extra love. Just a little bit of this mulch or compost can go a long way in helping your plants flourish. So I've got to ask, do you mix your own soil or do you prefer to buy pre-mixed bags? I'm always curious to hear what works for other gardeners, so drop a comment below and tell us your secret. 6. Plant supports and trellises for your climbing plants. Let's talk about something that's an absolute game changer for anyone growing vine vegetables or climbing flowers. If you've ever grown things like tomatoes, cucumbers, or even beans, you know that they love to climb. But keeping those plants upright and supported can be a challenge. That's where Dollar Tree comes in. They've got plant supports and trellises that make life so much easier. And the best part? They're super affordable. These supports are perfect for giving your climbing plants something to hold on to. The trellises are sturdy, easy to use, and they're adjustable, which is perfect for a variety of different types of plants. Plus, they're lightweight, so you can move them around as your plants grow and change. And honestly, for the price, you can grab a few of them without even thinking twice. You don't have to spend a ton of money on fancy supports when Dollar Tree has something that gets the job done just as well. What's great is that these trellises don't just work for veggies. They're also amazing for flowers like morning glories or sweet peas, giving them the perfect framework to climb and spread. And the best part? Your plants will get the support they need to grow tall and strong, all without breaking the bank. So I've got to ask, have you used a trellis for your tomatoes or cucumbers? Maybe you've got a beautiful flower climbing up one too? Drop a picture in the comments if you got one. I'd love to see how your plants are thriving with their new support. Let's get a little garden inspiration going. Number 5, decorative stones and pebbles for aesthetic touches. All right, let's talk about something that can really elevate your garden's look. You know, those little touches that make a big difference. Dollar Tree actually has some really great options for decorative stones and pebbles that can totally transform the vibe of your garden. And the best part? It won't cost you a fortune. These stones are perfect for adding that little extra something to your garden. Whether you're making a beautiful flower bed, creating a border around your plants, or even setting up a small rock garden, these pebbles can work wonders. They're also fantastic for using as mulch in certain areas of your garden or around your outdoor pots. They help keep moisture in, keep the weeds down, and just look beautiful while doing it. And let's not forget, they add a whole new level of style and texture to your space.
Imagine walking out into your garden and seeing the sunlight glisten off those smooth, colorful stones. Seriously, it just gives the whole area a fresh, polished look. So if you're looking to upgrade your garden's appearance without breaking the bank, these decorative stones and pebbles from Dollar Tree are a must-have. Plus, the great thing about them is you can buy a few bags at a time and build up your garden style slowly. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you got a decorative stone project going on? Or maybe you've come up with a creative way to use pebbles in your garden. Share your ideas in the comments below. I'd love to see what you're working on and get inspired by your creativity. 8. Watering cans and bottles. Small and effective. Let's talk about something that might seem like a no-brainer, but is honestly a total game changer for your garden. Watering cans and bottles. We're all used to using hoses for big watering jobs, but sometimes having a simple watering can or bottle on hand can make your gardening life so much easier. And here's the thing, Dollar Tree has some great options that are small, effective, and super practical for any gardener. If you've got a smaller garden or some indoor plants, these little watering cans are perfect. They give you that precise control over how much water you're giving your plants, so you don't end up overwatering or splashing water all over your furniture or garden paths. This is especially helpful when you're dealing with delicate seedlings or potted plants that need a more gentle touch. And let's face it, sometimes using a big hose can feel like overkill when you just need to water a few plants. That's where these small watering cans and bottles really shine. What I love about them is how simple yet effective they are. They're lightweight, easy to use, and they allow you to water without making a mess. Plus, they're the perfect size for watering plants indoors or in smaller garden spaces, like balcony gardens or patios. You won't need to carry a heavy, bulky watering can around, and your plants will get just the right amount of water. Now, I'm curious, how do you water your plants? Do you use a watering can, or are you more of a hose person? Let's talk watering strategies in the comments below. Maybe you've got a secret tip or two for keeping your plants hydrated, and I'd love to hear about it. 9. Pest control solutions. Affordable and effective. All right, let's talk about a topic every gardener knows all too well. Pests. Whether it's ants, aphids, or those pesky beetles, garden pests can wreak havoc on your plants in no time. But here's the good news. Dollar Tree has some natural, affordable pest control options that can help you keep those critters in check without draining your wallet. They've got everything from diatomaceous earth to bug traps, and let me tell you, these products are seriously effective. Diatomaceous earth, for example, is a fantastic natural way to deal with pests. It's a non-toxic powder that works wonders by dehydrating insects when they come in contact with it. You just sprinkle it around your plants, and it'll stop pests in their tracks without harming your plants or the environment. It's one of those things that's simple, safe, and super effective. And don't forget about their bug traps. These are a great way to catch flying pests like gnats or fruit flies. You can place them around your plants or in the areas where you're seeing the most pests, and they'll do the job of trapping those unwanted visitors without the need for harsh chemicals. Now, you don't have to spend a ton on fancy sprays or treatments when Dollar Tree's pest control options work just as well. They're a budget-friendly way to keep your garden safe, and you don't have to worry about putting anything harmful on your plants or in the soil. These products are a total game changer when it comes to affordable, effective pest control. So, I'm curious, what's your go-to pest control method? Do you swear by something natural, or do you have another trick up your sleeve? Let's share ideas in the comments for keeping those garden pests at bay, because the more tips we share, the healthier our gardens will be. 10. Seasonal decor for garden aesthetics. Let's finish up with something fun, seasonal decor. Now, you might not always think of Dollar Tree when it comes to decorating your garden, but trust me, they've got some amazing items that can really transform your outdoor space. Whether it's fall-themed pumpkins, holiday lights, or even just a few little touches here and there, Dollar Tree seasonal decor can give your garden that cozy, welcoming vibe without costing you a fortune. It's so easy to get into the spirit of each season with their decor. In the fall, you can pick up cute little pumpkins, fall leaves, or even some charming scarecrows to add that harvest feeling to your garden. When the holidays roll around, Dollar Tree has festive lights, wreaths, and other decorations to make your space feel bright and cheerful. And if you're someone who loves to make your garden an extension of your home, these little touches really make a difference in setting the mood. What I love about Dollar Tree's seasonal decor is how affordable it is, yet it still gives you that high-quality, stylish look.
You don't have to spend a ton of money on pricey garden accessories when you can grab these fun and festive items that'll make your garden stand out and feel special all year long. You can change things up as the seasons shift, keeping your garden fresh and fun for every occasion. So, who else here loves decorating their garden for the seasons? I know I do, and I bet you do too. Share your best seasonal garden picks with me in the comments. Let's swap ideas and inspire each other to create some beautiful, festive outdoor spaces. After all, gardening isn't just about plants. It's about creating a space that feels like home. So, there you have it. Dollar Tree is your secret weapon for an amazing garden without spending a fortune. Trust me, these little buys add up, and soon you'll see a huge difference in your garden's productivity and beauty. If you've never tried these before, now's the time to get out there and grab them. And if you've already been shopping at Dollar Tree, let me know in the comments what your favorite find has been.